Shona here. I want to say welcome back to my channel because everybody says that. So, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a look that's inspired by one of the Real Housewives of Orange County, Gina. So if you follow the Real Housewives, you'll know that in the reunion, Gina's got this beautiful purple and gold smoky eye. And so today I'm going to recreate that. And if you're not sure what that looks like, I'm going to post a photo now. Also, what I'll be using today are these new magnetic lashes from Essence. It's going to be my first time trying these things on, so I'm a little nervous, but if they work, they're going to be super convenient for anyone to use. So, as you guys have seen on my page, I recently went to Beauty Revolution. I had such a massive haul of products. So one of my new products that I'm so excited to use today is my Morphe and Jaclyn Heel palette. So in this palette, I've got a beautiful purple here that you can see. So I'm going to use that purple and I'm going to put that onto the crease. So I'm going to use a very thin, round, tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to go into the crease. This is my first time using these products. I'm so excited. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm pulling it outwards because Gina's eyeshadow had a bit of a cat's eye. So you can see it when I'm blending the majority of the product into the eyelid, and then when the brush has a little less product on, then I pull it outwards like this, towards the edge of the eyebrow. So now I'm going to take some of the purple with the same brush because the brush is quite small, and I'm just going to lightly dust that under the eye so it blends from this like wing shape. Okay, so make sure to leave it a little lighter towards the inside of the eye. So now I'm going to go in with my Mischief Minx. This was a limited edition at MAC, but basically all you need is like a very yellowy gold like this. So I'm taking this yellow gold color and then I'm just patting that towards the inside of the eye. And now because these colors are so different, you're going to need a really nice transition color. And I wanted to put that last because I wanted to see exactly where I would be placing it. So the gold goes on the inside like that. Then I'm going to take a clean brush. I'm just going to use this orangey, maybe there's one in the Jaclyn Heel palette. Not quite. So I'm going to use this orangey color in the Mischief Minx. And I'm just going to place that in the middle. So now you can see how the gold blends a little easier into the purple. And now for the highlights under my brow, I'm going to use this second lightest color in the Jaclyn Heel palette. And I'm going to put that just under the brow. So now I'm going to put the Dior waterproof pencil, not inside the waterline, but just along there where I pulled the purple, so along the lash line, both sides. And then I'm going to take the white that I bought from Essence. And so if you've watched my previous videos, you know I normally like to use nude, but I bought a white so that I could try it. So I take the white and I put that in the waterline. Now I'm going to use a Miss Signature product. This I was very wary about first when I bought it because it was just super affordable. And I've actually used this for glitter and it lasts. The glitter does not move once this product dries. I'm so impressed with it. So I'm just going to take a little bit, it looks like a little gloss applicator. And I'm just going to pat that on the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going to apply the glitter. So I'm using a glitter from MAC, it's just gold, and I'm going to take a flat brush, dust some of the glitter off, and then pat that down. I don't really want it to overlap with the purple, so just keep it nice and tight over the gold and the transition color. So now I'm going to use a liquid lash liner from MAC. So these liners, I don't know, coming from a makeup artist, it sounds weird, but these liners really intimidate me because they're very liquidy. But I'm going to show you how to use this liquid liner. So you're going to pull it out from the lash line. And then you're going to take it in from that edge. And then just pull it along the lash line. And colour in the gaps. So I've managed. Okay. I'm going to be using this Revlon Volumizing Mascara. So this is something I got as a gift in my Beauty Revolution box. So I'm going to use that. So now I'm going to put on these lashes. They're already sticking together. So I've just read the instructions. Basically, you put the top one on first, and you'll know it's the top one because it's labeled. And you just lay that on the lash, and then stick the bottom one underneath. Can you see a difference? Looks pretty good. Okay, that really works. So now for the lips, I'm going to do something that's got a bit of an orange undertone to complement the eyes, but nothing too hectic. So I'm going to use Velvet Teddy from MAC, and I'm just going to apply that. And I'm going to use the Fruit Cocktail lip pencil from MAC. It's also got this like really nice coral color. So I've colored in the whole lip with the pencil, and now I'm just going to take this like purpley gloss and I'm just going to put it over. It's not going to change the color, but it's just going to make it a little bit more dimensional. This gloss you can't buy anymore, so I recommend something similar. I saw that Revlon sells something very similar now. And now to set the look, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist. This is going to keep your skin really matte because you can see it's white. So it almost has like a translucent type powder in it, and that's going to help set the makeup.